Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rock Island County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Mercer County in northwestern Illinois, Whiteside
That's a lot of counties. Sorry, Illinois and Iowa.
Central Carroll County in northwestern Illinois,
Looks like it's
northeastern Warren
impacting
County in
Davenport.
west central Illinois, Henry County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Bureau County in north central Illinois, southern Jackson County in east central Iowa, eastern Cedar County in east central Iowa, northeastern Muscatine County in east central Iowa, Scott County in east central Iowa,
So
southern George
Davenport
County in
is
east central
impacting, as well as
Clinton County in east
Moline,
central Iowa,
Rock
until
Island, and more.
10 p.m. At 9:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Central Park to near Alpha, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ideal, Westlake Park, Cambridge, Manlius, Kewaunee Municipal Airport, Jackson County Fairgrounds, East Clinton, Fort Byron, Davenport Municipal Airport, Stone City, Union Grove, Thompson Causeway, Osborne, Elwood, Albany, Bryant, Black Hawk State Park, Maquoketa, Princeton, and Fruitland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 272 and 306. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 46. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 33. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 36. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 18. For your protection, move to... This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KZZ 55 Dixon.